guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is MEGHA RATNASARI. I'm from 12 Accounting 1. In this video, I will show you about how to make slime stretchy. Glue, water, one bowl, food coloring, gum, 1 spoon, and glittering. Okay guys, let's go for the making slime. First, we put bowl, and next we enter glue in the bowl. Okay. Sufficient for enters glue. Okay. Next, we enter water in the bowl. 2 drops water. 1, 2. Okay, we mix again until flat. And next we enter gum. 2 drops. 1, 2. Okay. Mix again until flat. Okay, if afraid, we place the gum in bowl again. 2 drops again. 1, 2. Okay, you can see slime ready, but I want to enter coloring food. I use the color purple. Okay, we enter one drop. 1. We mix and yay! You can see wow, slime stretchy, color purple. Okay, if already, we enter again glittering, color growth. If you want to use glitter, you can, but if you not want use glitter, not problem. Okay, Tana. Wow. Slime stretchy, and we enter glitter. Okay, 1 drop. Okay, sufficient for the glitter. And okay, yay guys, slime stretchy already. Ta-da! But I use color purple. Ta-da! Very cute. Okay guys, don't forget ya, like and comment in Facebook, and don't forget share with your friends. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.